Hi, this is Robert Bornstein from Robert's Tropical Paradise Garden in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Thanks for coming. Today we're going to talk about the bird of paradise. This is a flower that's already bloomed. You can see it's almost shaped like a bird's beak. But unfortunately this one has gotten way too big and it's really hanging over the house. And before hurricane season we got to trim that baby down because we want to be safe for the hurricanes. We don't want anything falling on top of the house. So we're going to chainsaw this baby down and let the suckers grow fuller. But we got to take this down. Okay, well, I'm on the roof. Not my most favorite place to be, but this is where I have to be in order to cut this down. Watch out, watch out. Boy, I didn't know this baby was full of white flies. It's really swarming with them. Covered. Well, I don't spray for anything, so that's why. But I want you to see the bird. It's beautiful. They're sticking out right over here. I'll show them to you later. We're going to cut this in smaller pieces so we can haul it to the street. Tomorrow's bulk trash pickup day. Okay, now we're going to take gradual cuts till we reach the bottom. There's one. There's another one back here we got to get. It's all the way back here. Whoops. Timber! Well, thanks for coming to Robert's Tropical Paradise Garden. Glad you got to stop by. You can follow me on Google+, Pinterest, my Facebook page, my website www.robbornstein.com, and my examiner.com articles, Robert Bornstein, Miami Garden Reporter. See you again soon, and thanks for coming by.